I don't know if you can tell, I'm really very tired now. That was a fun sequence to film. It's 6:30 right now. Took me 15 minutes to get from my room to the lobby. Anyway, we're here waiting for the shuttle bus to pick us up and bring us to the ship. So, let's go! Arrived at the port, and then we waited 1 hour in the bus for I don't know why, and now that we are here, we're gonna wait for another hour or two just to check in, and then you know, just want to quickly get on board. So in the meantime, let's try and do something else. So I'm finally on board. Now it is 11:45. I have some time for lunch or brunch. I haven't eaten since the morning, only had coffee. 2 o'clock safety drill, 3 o'clock be at the theatre, 4 o'clock rehearsals. Showtime is at 7 o'clock and 9 o'clock. I woke up at 5:45 this morning. It's gonna be a very long day, but we are pushing on. Yeah, I think all so far so good. It's, you know, a very like a waiting game almost, but yeah, we're good. So next up, lunchtime. Let's go. So quick cabin tour. So I'm done with lunch. Now time to pack my room or unpack, right? And then get ready for rehearsals. Quick question. When you were watching this video, do you realize that I took everything from the iPhone? How's the quality? Let me know in the comments below. Well, room is all packed, and then now I'm getting ready for rehearsal. It's 2:45 right now, and big thanks to Princess Cruises for, you know, arranging and the port agents for arranging all the transports and transfers from the airport to the hotel to the ship and all that kind of thing, you know, because without them, us as entertainers, it was very difficult to get around. So kudos to Princess for, you know, arranging the transport. Didn't want to bore you with another time lapse, but I'm backstage right now, or rather I'm on stage right now, and the show is set. Simple, easy setup. Just waiting for rehearsals to begin. We have 30 minutes to go. All good. I'm still feeling okay. In fact, I'm surprised that I feel quite energetic. I don't know why. I hope it doesn't die off before the show. So rehearsals done, and now I'm just gonna get ready for the show. Apparently the captain said that it'll be rough tonight, so fingers crossed. Because in my show I do, you know, get people up on stage and all that kind of stuff, so I just want them to be safe. And let's hope it doesn't get too rough, alright? So I'm gonna get ready for my show. Let's go. No, thank you.
like laughing, crying. I love it. It was so good.
Thank you
So much. That was amazing.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
That was excellent.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming to the show. Have a good night. Thank you so
really
much.
enjoyed
Cheers. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Have a good night. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Have a good night.
Like the shoes.
Thank you.
Thanks, Papa.
Like the show.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice evening. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Have a good night. Oh, thank you so much.
Amazing.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
All right, here goes. Thank you. I
Cheers.
enjoyed
Thank you
your
so much.
show.
Thank you so much.
Great.
Thank you. Thank you for coming.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Show done. Yay! So shows are done. I'm back in my cabin. It was worth every minute of the traveling, waiting, and all that kind of thing. When you see that your audiences enjoy it, you know it was all worth it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It's not your usual glitz and glamour kind of thing. Little insight to us entertainers and things that we have to go through, right? Not everybody shares this with you. So I hope you enjoy this as much as I enjoy making it. I don't know if you can tell, I'm really very tired now. Anyway, thank you for watching. You guys take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Good night.